Hello my dear friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss that how to make peace with your past, how to make peace with your present and how to forgive yourself. Friends, in past we have done certain kind of mistake or certain kind of action which is having negative impact in our present. And that negative impact is the reason of our misery. That negative impact is the reason of our unhappiness. Friends, when we look at our past, the mistake which we did it in the past, at that moment, in a present, we are carrying a certain kind of guilt within ourselves. We are always criticizing ourselves that why I did that, why a person like me can commit a such kind of blunder. So this self-criticism, this constant self-criticism will give you a certain kind of guilt within your mind. And that guilt will create a certain kind of regret in your mind. And that regret is the reason of your misery in the present. So the past action is the reason of your misery in the present. So friends, why it is happening? That because of your constant self-criticism. You are constantly in fight with yourself only. You are fighting with yourself that why I did a mistake, why I did a mistake. So please don't do this. Instead of this, start to accept that mistake. Start to accept that action which you did it in the past. When you start accepting, at that moment the peace will dawn. The peace is only in acceptance. When you start to accept yourself, when you start to accept the situation which you faced in the past or the mistake which you did it in the past, only that time you can make a peace with your past. And when you make a peace with your past, you can make a peace with your present. Think a moment. Think for a moment and think for that mistake which you did it in the past and start to accept that mistake. Don't get into fight with that mistake. Don't get into fight with yourself. Just accept your past and you'll realize you're making peace with your present. And when you start to accept that situations or the mistake which you did it in the past, that time you will also be ready to forgive yourself and start new beginning in your life. Thank you my dear friends. I hope this story will help you. This moral will lead you to a higher stage of your life. And I will see you in my next video.